Please, help me. I'm not the monster puppet you see in this empty box. I was once like you. Please, listen to me. I'm not who you think I am. I was like you. A wonderful soul. Trapped inside this monster. You don't know what it's like! Just harming a puppet that only wants to maintain. You know what I mean. He has to be forced to dance. I know I'm crazy tonight, but because I want to get out of this stupid thing. Please, you understand, right? Oh, you're wondering who Calvin is. Oh, yeah, you really should know his name. Vincent Markley. This guy named Vincent. Yeah. I wish you knew, because you called the police when I got like that 1 second. I remember that time. They found this puppet body, and this guy found me. Maybe go to the back room, killed me. It's sad being a puppet. We have no one else to help you. No one else to help get out. And you get quiet because you don't help me. I am not